Hello everyone, welcome to another video. First of all, let me introduce myself. I'm Hina Iqbal, the online business owner and mentor helping so many busy parents and persons to earn online. आज का ये छोटा सा वीडियो भी बहुत इन्फॉर्मेटिव है, ख़ासतौर पे उन लोगों के लिए जिनके जहन में बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं और वो बार बार मुझसे पूछते हैं और मैंने काफ़ी दफ़ा उनका जवाब दिया है। पहले मैं आपसे शेयर करूँगी कि वो क्वेश्चंस क्या हैं, फिर आपको इनका क्लियर आंसर मिलेगा। अक्सर आप लोग जब बिज़नेस की इन्फॉर्मेशन लेते हैं, आप पूछते हैं कि भाई ये इस बिज़नेस में अगर हम ज्वाइन करते हैं तो हमने काम क्या करना है। अगर ये डिजिटल मार्केटिंग का बिज़नेस है तो हमने इसमें कौन सी चीज़ें सेल करनी है। अच्छा, अगर हमने चीज़ें सेल नहीं करनी तो हमारा रोल इस बिज़नेस में क्या होगा। तो मैंने तो इसका रिप्लाई बहुत दफ़ा अपनी बहुत सारी वीडियोस में दिया है, दफ़ा एक्सप्लेनेशन दी, क्लैरिफाई किया। तो आज की वीडियो का ट्विस्ट ये है कि इस वीडियो में आपको फरहाना जी इन तमाम चीज़ों के आंसर्स देंगी। शी इज़ माई कोच एंड शी इज़ माई बिज़नेस पार्टनर टू। तो चलिए सुनते हैं फरहाना जी के अकॉर्डिंग आपका इस बिज़नेस में रोल क्या है और क्या वाकई आपको इस बिज़नेस में चीज़ें सेल करनी है या नहीं करनी।
True that we're selling product?
No, that's not true. We do not sell any products. And the follow-up question that you would ask is, so if you're not selling products, then how do you make money? What are you selling? And what is it actually that you sell then? So basically the business that we are into, it's a digital marketing business, which means that your work here is mainly marketing. And there are products involved. When we say you don't sell products, that means you as a business owner, your responsibility is not to sell products. Doesn't mean that there are no products involved. The products are there. We have certain affiliate companies that we are paired up with, and these affiliate products are sold in the back end, and you will be making commissions when these products are sold. But the beauty of this over here is that everyone cringes away from selling. Like, you don't want to be that salesperson who bugs people. Oh, this is you want to buy this from me. And there are so many of those multi-level marketing things that people sell, lotions and lipsticks and I don't know what, all of those things. So you will not be doing any of those. What you will get from us is basically a business package, which includes the affiliates is one part of it. There's the technical infrastructure which we will be providing to you, which includes your all the setup and automations and everything. There's training and mentorship, and there's access to all of this community support. This is the package which you are getting. You plug into it, and depending on what affiliates you choose, you will be introduced to the various affiliates in the 30-day trial which we offer. Once you choose your affiliates, that will determine what your offer is going to be, what you are actually going to be selling. And when I say selling, doesn't mean the actual product part of the selling. So digital marketing is what you will do. When you learn the skill of digital marketing and when you learn to do it properly, the system, you set the system in motion, and the system will do the selling for you, and the products will be sold without you ever having to talk about the products. And when that happens, you will be making commissions, you will be making money. That's how Nakila makes money, that's how I make money. And you hear the terms, make money in your sleep, make money while you are on vacations. All of that is possible because of the systems and automations in place. We do our work of the marketing part, and the system does the selling for us. And it's a beautiful system. Check it out, understand how it works, and then decide for yourself if it works for you or not.
Thank you so much.
होपफुली इस वीडियो से आपको काफ़ी नॉलेज मिला होगा, इस बिज़नेस प्लेटफॉर्म के बारे में आपको काफ़ी क्लैरिटी मिली होगी। स्पेशली वो जो मेरी बहनें मुझसे क्वेश्चन कर रही थी या भाई मुझसे पूछ रहे थे कि अभी हमारा रोल क्या होगा, हमें कौन सी चीज़ें बेचनी पड़ेंगी, उनको भी इस बात का आंसर लाजमी मिल गया होगा। दे डोंट हैव टू सेल एनी प्रोडक्ट्स इन दिस बिजनेस, सो दे जस्ट हैव टू provide their services to promote their business. Ready now to start this business, so do not hesitate, contact with me. I'm more than happy to guide you through this business journey. Take care and Allah Hafiz.